we bought a Spanish villa, and we're excited to share it with you, episode by episode of transforming the charming but neglected home. Welcome to the Spanish Revival. This is the start of our renovation adventure. This villa has so much potential, and I can't wait to show you everything we got planned. There are 3 terraces and a garden area with a pool that has seen better days. In the upcoming episodes, watch as we document the renovation of this pool along with many other DIY projects at the property. As you can see, there's a lot of work ahead. Some of the walls need renovating, the floors need replacing, and there's so much potential to bring in traditional Spanish design elements into this home. Here's the plan. We'll focus on preserving the villa's original elements. We're also sourcing authentic materials to ensure that every detail stays true to the Spanish Revival style, also called Mediterranean Revival. Outside, we'll restore the garden and add a pergola with vibrant outdoor tiles locally sourced. Inside, the goal is to blend the rustic charm with modern comforts. It's ambitious, but we're ready for the challenge. Today, we're starting small, cleaning up the space and assessing what needs immediate attention. This is just the beginning. In the next episodes, we'll dive deeper into restoring some of the villa's key features. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you've enjoyed this episode and look forward to the next ones, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as we bring this villa back to life episode by episode. See you next time on the Spanish Revival. Hasta luego.